Okay, guys, so I think we have to complete. Now we have finished talking about question number one, which is giving advice. Now I think it's the time to discuss question number two. But to do that, let me open my pen just to be able to highlight things or maybe underline information. Okay. Please, my pen. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, exercise number two is saying, what do you think? Let's make sentences from the chart to express our opinions. Now, guys, notice that here we have this conditional word, which is if you want to, okay, if you want to learn English, for example, or if you want to be successful, or if you want to keep fit, you have to, you don't have to, you should, you shouldn't, you must. Work hard, do some sport, learn the grammar, go to university, buy a dictionary, smoke, or translate every word. Let's try to discuss the first word or phrase, which is saying, if you want to learn English, okay, you could complete.
You have to work hard.
Amazing. You have to work hard. What else? Can you compose another sentence?
You have to work harder than
Yeah.
before.
Okay. So you have to work hard. What else? Can you
Buy
compose?
a dictionary.
Exactly. But how can you say it in a complete sentence, Hiba?
And learn English, you have to buy a dictionary.
Thank you so much. If you want to learn English, let's say that you should buy a dictionary.
Okay.
Amazing. What else? Can you construct another sentence?
And
If you want to be successful, you shouldn't smoking.
Okay, thank you so much, Jamila. But Jamila, let's try to discuss learn English first. So we said that if you want to learn English, you have to work hard. Okay. Another sentence is if you want to learn English, you should buy a dictionary. Can you form another sentence using this phrase, which is if you want to learn English? Okay, can you
okay, if you
Uh-huh.
كفي.
if
Yeah.
you want to learn English, you
Uh-huh.
don't have to translate every word.
Exactly, amazing. So if you want to learn English, you don't have to translate every single word. Thank you, amazing. Again, what else? I think I can compose another sentence.
If you want to learn English, you have to learn the grammar.
You must learn the grammar. Absolutely, because the grammar is extremely important. Thank you so much. Okay, now I think it's enough for the first phrase. Now the second phrase. If you want to be successful, okay.
If you want to be successful, you have to go to a university.
Okay, you have to go to university. Amazing. What else?
You should work hard.
Thank you so much, Raed. If you want to be successful, holy God, what's this? If you want to be successful, okay,
You should work hard.
you should work hard. Amazing. What else?
You shouldn't smoke.
Okay, please tell me the complete sentence, Jamila.
If you, Ryan,
Ryan, holy God.
If you
Um,
want to be successful, you shouldn't smoke.
Thank you so much. If you want to be successful, you shouldn't smoke. But guys, can we see, let me say, successful people who do smoke?
No.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so let's try to form another sentence. So, if you want to be successful, is it enough?
If you want to be successful, you must do some sport.
Okay, it's acceptable. You must do some sport. I can say like this exactly. Okay, let's talk about the third sentence. Now, the third one is saying if you want to keep fit, okay,
You must do some sports.
you must, thank you so much, do some sport. What else?
You shouldn't smoke.
Guys,
Yeah.
please tell me the
If
complete
you want to
sentence.
keep fit,
Uh-huh.
you shouldn't smoke.
Thank you so much. If you want to keep fit, you should not smoke. Okay, that's amazing. And is it enough?
If you want to keep fit, you
Mhm.
have to work hard.
You have to work hard. Thank you so much. If you want to keep fit, you have to work hard. Thank you so much. So this is conditional. And these are the correct sentences that I have to use just to use conditionals. Okay, guys, I think we have learned how to write emails and letters in level 3, didn't we? I remember that I have already explained how to write an email, a successful email, and absolutely maybe formal or informal letter. So, didn't I?
I think no. In this level.
That I'm talking
Yes,
about I did in level 3.
yes.
Oh, level 3.
Yeah,
I don't know.
absolutely. So guys, please, you have to watch the videos just to be able to learn how to write an email or a sort of letter. So now I'm going to send a homework to the group. This homework is about writing an email. Please, now, if you want to revise the way of writing a successful email or letter, please watch the videos on YouTube on the channel just to be able to revise the information. Because again, I'm going to give you a homework just to write maybe an email or a letter. Okay. Now I think, guys, we have to discuss the heptathlon champion. Okay, let me change the color and let's start. So now this is about heptathlon champion. Now the word heptathlon means or comes from the Greek hepta. So hepta means 7 and athlon means contest. So we have 7 and contest just to form the word of heptathlon. Now, again, it is an athletic competition where there are 7 events. These are the 7 events in heptathlon over 2 days. These are 100 meters hurdles, 200 meters, 800 meters long jump, high jump, javelin, throw, shot, put. So these are the 7 events that we have in heptathlon or the athletic competition. Now, let's match these words with the pictures that we have. What is this event?
20 meters to
20.
200 meters.
200 meters. Thank you. So this is number one. Two. If you are not sure about two, let's try to match three.
100
100
hurdles.
Yeah, so three is 100 meters. Four. Wait, 100 meters. What? Yes, what? 100 meters hurdles. This is the meaning, guys, of hurdle, okay?
Okay.
What about four? What about this one? Long jump.
Four.
This four.
Yeah, so number four is long jump. Okay, what about high jump?
7.
Thank you so much, right? It
Six.
is 7. What about 800 meters?
5.
It is
5.
5. Thank you. Now, javelin throw.
2
Are you sure?
or 6.
It is 6. Guys, this is the meaning of javelin. Okay, this is it. So you have to throw the javelin. This is 6. Now, shot put.
Now 2.
It
Okay.
is 2. Thank you so much. So 2 is shot put. This is it. So you have to throw this iron ball. Okay, so these are
Javelin. No. What means?
the meaning of javelin. This is it. Can you see the long, let me say, the long thing that this woman is catching? Okay, I think I have to show you the exact meaning of javelin. So, javelin. So this is the exact meaning of javelin, a light spear thrown in a competitive sport or as a weapon. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So these are, guys, the 7 events that we have in the athletic competition. And now I think it's the time to listen to the recording. Now, guys, the recording is about Jessica Innes. Let's listen to the recording because we have to know now the Britain's first world heptathlon champion. So let's listen to the interview with Jessica Innes. She is Britain's first women's heptathlon champion, and we have to underline the correct answer. So number one, the World Athletic Championships were in this place, or this place. 2, this one ankle or knee or wrist. 3, this one, or this one. 4, 5, 6 till the end of the sentences. But I think we have to listen to the recording. So the recording is 8.6. So please, guys, listen carefully just to be able to know the correct answer. So this is unit 8, and this is recording 6.
Tape script 8.6. Jessica Ennis, Britain's first world heptathlon champion.
Nice to meet you, Jessica. Congratulations on your gold medal at the World Athletic Championships in Berlin.
Thank you very much.
You won in Berlin, but I know that just a couple of years ago you injured your ankle very badly. Were you worried that your sporting career was over?
Yes, I was very worried. I missed the Olympics in China and I had to work hard with physios and doctors for 9 months, but now I'm fine.
You're obviously a very determined girl.
Yeah, my mum always said that from a young age I was very determined. I knew what I wanted.
Is your mum a big influence in your life?
Yes, she is. She works for a charity. She helps people with drug problems. You have to have a lot of patience for that. My mum's got that. My dad's a painter and decorator. He was born in Jamaica. He moved here when he was 13.
I can see your parents are important to you. I'm sure you have a good coach too.
Yes, Tony Minichiello. He's a really good coach, but we often fight.
You fight?
Well, we do spend a lot of time together. He's always saying, come on, you must be more aggressive. And I'm not really like that. He says that I must only think about athletics. He didn't even want me to get a dog.
Did you get a dog?
Oh, yeah. I have a beautiful chocolate Labrador called Mila.
So, do you think that you should have other interests, not just athletics?
Yeah, but when I'm competing, I go into my own little world. I don't see my boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend?
Yeah, Andy. I only spoke to him once on the phone when I was in Berlin. I had to concentrate on competing. I know I won in Berlin, but I can still improve. I have to work on my long jump and javelin, and I know I can run more quickly. It's the small things that make a difference in the end.
I hope you have time to feel proud of being world champion.
Oh, yes. I keep my medal by my bed, and when I look at it, I think, oh my goodness, I won. I'm world champion. Sometimes I can't believe it.
It's a fantastic achievement. Well done and good luck in the next Olympics.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, so this is about Jessica Ennis. Now, the first sentence is the World Athletic Championships were in what country?
Berlin.
Berlin. Thank you so much. So this is the correct place. 2. Jessica missed the Olympics because she injured her what?
Uncle.
Bravo. Or uncle. Exactly. 3. She had to work with physiotherapists. 4, 5, 9, 10
9.
months. For
9.
9 months to recover. 4. Her mom works for a chemist, a charity, or a painter.
Charity.
Yes, thank you, Jamila. Drayan and Jamila, charity. 5. Jessica's coach says that she must be more patient, determined, aggressive.
Aggressive.
Yeah,
Aggressive.
aggressive. Thank you so much. 6. He told her that she shouldn't eat chocolate, get a dog, see her boyfriend.
Get a dog.
Get a dog.
Bravo. You shouldn't get a dog. And she finally got one. 7. Her boyfriend is always, sometimes, never with her when she competes.
I think never.
I think never.
Yes.
What about the others?
I know.
Yeah, absolutely. What do you think, guys? Raed, Jamila, Riba. Can you say something? So it is never. Only once she talked to her boyfriend. 8. She keeps her gold medal dog javelin by her bed.
Javelin.
Okay.
Gold medal.
Guys, I think we have to listen to 7 and 8 just to make sure about the 2 answers. I'm not going to play the whole recording, only this part, or
Tape script 8.6.
just to be able to check the answers.
So, do you think that you should have other interests, not just athletics?
Yeah, but when I'm competing, I go into my own little world. I don't see my boyfriend.
You have a
I don't see my boyfriend because I go to my little world.
boyfriend.
Yeah, Andy. I only spoke to him once on the phone when I was in Berlin. I had to concentrate on competing. I know I won in Berlin, but I can still improve. I have to work on my long jump and javelin, and I know I can run more quickly. It's the small things that make a difference in the end.
I hope you have time to feel proud of being world champion.
Oh, yes. I keep my medal by my bed, and when I look at it,
I keep my medal by my bed. So, gold medal, please, guys. You have to listen carefully because sometimes the speakers are speaking a little fast. Okay, so these are the correct answers now. It's not the end because we have to listen again just to be able to answer these questions. 1. Why did Jessica miss the Olympics in China?
Because she injured her ankle.
Thank you so much. Exactly, because she injured her ankle. So this is the answer of the question number 1. 2. Why does her mom have to have a lot of patience? No answer? Okay,
What's
let's...
the meaning of charity?
What?
What's the meaning of charity?
Charity is to work, let me say, to work for people who deserve to be helped. Okay?
Mm.
I think, let me show
So
you.
I think because her mom is works for a charity.
Okay. First of all, I have to show you the meaning of a charity. Just to work for people who deserve, or who deserve the good things. So, for example, an organization set up to provide help and raise money for those in need. Okay?
Okay, mister.
Okay, so let's skip question number 2 to answer 3. What nationality is her dad? What does he do? Okay, so this answer or this question is unanswered. 4. What do Jessica and her coach fight about?
To get a dog.
To get a dog. Okay, now 5. What are Jessica's interests other than athletics?
Mister, please, can we listen again? The record?
Yes, we will. 6. Which sports does she have to improve? Okay, so let's play the recording and please, guys, we have to listen carefully just to be able to answer these 6 questions.
I think, oh my goodness, I won. I'm world champion. Sometimes I can't believe it.
Okay, so let's repeat.
Tape script 8.6. Jessica Ennis, Britain's first world heptathlon champion.
Nice to meet you, Jessica. Congratulations on your gold medal at the World Athletic Championships in Berlin.
Thank you very much.
You won in Berlin, but I know that just a couple of years ago you injured your ankle very badly. Were you worried that your sporting career was over?
Yes, I was very worried. I missed the Olympics in China.
So I missed the Olympics in China because she injured her ankle very badly. So this is the answer for question number one. Now two, why does her mom have to have a lot of patience?
And I had to work hard with physios and doctors for 9 months, but now I'm fine.
You're obviously a very determined girl.
Yeah, my mum always said that from a young age I was very determined. I knew what I wanted.
Is your mum a big influence in your life?
Yes, she is. She works for a charity. She helps people with drug problems. You have to have a lot of patience for that.
For that, for what? She helps people who have what?
Problems.
What kind of problems?
Poor needs money or like thing.
Okay, let's repeat a little bit.
A very determined girl.
Yeah, my mum always said that from a young age I was very determined. I knew what I wanted.
Is your mum a big influence in your life?
Yes, she is. She works for a charity. She helps people with drug problems.
She helps people with drug problems.
Drug
Okay.
problems.
Yes.
You have to have a lot of patience for that.
So she has to have a lot of patience for that exactly. Three, what nationality is her dad? What does he do?
My mum's got that. My dad's a painter and decorator. He was born in Jamaica.
So,
He is decorator
yeah, what else?
and he is
And
born
paint.
in
And
Decatur.
painter, thank
Painter.
you so much. Decorator and painter. Now, what
He's
nationality?
born in Jamaica.
Jamaica, thank you so much. Exactly. Now, four, what do Jessica and her coach fight about? Let's listen.
He moved here when he was 13.
I can see your parents are important to you. I'm sure you have a good coach too.
Yes, Tony Minichiello. He's a really good coach, but we often fight.
You fight?
Well, we do spend a lot of time together. He's always saying, come on, you must be more aggressive. And I'm not really like that.
So,
Often fight because he wants to be more aggressive.
he wants to be more
And he
aggressive
can.
because he wants to be more aggressive.
No, she.
Because the coach guys wants her to be more aggressive.
Say to
More
be
aggressive, yes, and she
Uh-huh.
can.
And she not can't. She doesn't like that.
Yes,
Okay?
yes.
Now five. What are Jessica's interests other than athletics?
He says that I must only think about athletics. He didn't even want me to get a dog.
Did you get
So this is another reason. He wants her just to think, to totally think about sport, and he doesn't want her just to have a dog. So this is another reason of fight. Okay.
a dog?
Oh, yeah. I have a beautiful chocolate Labrador called Mila.
So, do you think that you should have other interests, not just athletics?
Yeah, but when I'm competing, I go into my own little world. I don't see my boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend?
Yeah, Andy. I only spoke to him once on the phone when I was in Berlin. I had to concentrate on competing. I know I won in Berlin, but I can still improve. I have to work on my long jump and javelin, and
So what are Jessica's interests?
Long jump, javelin.
This
Long
is
jump.
this is the-
Javelin.
Okay. Question number 6. What sports does she have to improve?
Long jump.
Now
Jump,
long jump.
javelin.
Thank you. Now long jump and javelin, exactly. And javelin. Now 5. What are Jessica's interests other than athletics? If you notice, guys, she said that
I
she,
think
uh-huh,
I think say with boyfriend.
yes, exactly. Thank you so much. And even, guys, she doesn't talk with her boyfriend a lot because she has to concentrate on her sport and she has to improve, especially long jump and javelin. So this is it. These are the correct answers of the 6 questions that we have about this page. Okay, now I think it's the time to speak. Can I start with you, Raed?
Yes.
Raed, do you know some successful people?
Can you repeat,
Yes. The
please?
question, exactly. Okay. The question is, do you know some successful people?
Yes.
Okay. What do they do?
Like a famous people.
Yeah, famous people is acceptable.
Uh, Playing football,
Mhm. Okay.
like
Mhm.
Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, amazing. Okay. How and why did they become successful?
I think because they worked hard
Amazing.
and maybe a chance.
What do you mean by chance? Do you mean because
Uh,
they are lucky?
they are lucky, yes.
So because, let me say that because they are lucky, they are successful people.
Yes, maybe.
Okay. Thank you so much, Raed. Now, Ryan, do you know some successful people?
Yes, Mr.
Okay. Now, what do they do?
They work in company, food
Mhm.
company. Yes,
Amazing. Mhm.
and they work harder and mm, and get more experience,
And what?
gained
Gain.
more experience. Yes,
Amazing. Yes.
yes,
Mhm.
and after they meet more new people, another nationalities and races,
Mhm.
and after they traveling, they get more information about her company and how to be more successful. Yes,
Ah, okay. I think this is the answer of the question. How and why did they become successful?
yes.
Thank you so much, Ryan. Jamila, can you hear me? I don't know if Jamila is with us. She isn't. Hiba, can you hear me?
Yes.
So Hiba, what do you think? Do you know some successful people?
Yes.
What do they do?
They write stories, روايات.
So they write short stories and novels?
Yes.
Amazing. Okay. How and why did they become successful?
They work hard and
Mm,
they have imagination.
amazing.
Okay, I love
And
كثير بحب
uh-huh.
إيه.
And creativity, I think. Thank you so much, Hiba. Okay, guys. So this is it. This is about heptathlon. Now I think it's the time to discuss something new. Now, guys, we have to read a passage. This passage is about sons and daughters. Okay. Now, guys, we have 2 families. Now, the first family is the Cafiero family. So this is the Cafiaro family. And the second family is the Tibet family. Okay, I need you to take a look at the two families that we have in the picture. Do you notice something in both families? What do you notice? Try to take a look at the
Please, can you repeat the question?
Okay, now I need you guys to take a look at the two families, the Cafiaro family and the Tibet family. What do you notice? Is there something?
The Calculated family has only the boys, but the
Thank
Tibet
you.
family has only the
Yes.
girls.
Has only girls.
Yes.
Amazing. So we notice, guys, that all the Cafiaro family